So in this easel tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add shadow to text here on Easil. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Easel application. Once that is done, go into your design, go to the right side of the screen to add some text to your design. So go to the right here in between images and layouts, press on the T or the text button right here, then go to the top and press on add a heading. Now, just for simplicity's sake, I will make this text a little bit larger in size so it's easier for you guys to see. Now, if you guys want to add shadow to text, actually super simple. Press on the text right here, go to this top bar, and right beside the underline button on the right, there is an option that says shadow right here. So press on the shadow button right here. And if you were to increase the shadow, you can change the blur to make it more blurry, less blurry. You can change the distance right here to make it more distance or less distance. You can also rotate it so it's more, above, it's behind, it's to the right, it's to the left, whatever the case may be. You can get creative that way. You can also go to the color right here and change the color to whatever you want. So let's say you want to do that, for example, and there you go. Pretty straightforward. This is how you guys can add shadow to text here on Easel. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.